In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Python-based custom HTTP MCP server and connect it with Copilot Studio. We'll go from a blank project folder all the way to testing a working connection between your local Python tool and your Copilot. The process is straightforward, and I'll keep it clear so you can follow along even if this is your first time setting up something like this. First, open your terminal. Create a new project folder and move into that folder. This keeps everything organized from the beginning and makes it easier to manage your files as the project grows. Next, create a virtual environment using Python and VNV, then activate it. This is an important step because it isolates your project dependencies from the rest of your system. If you work on multiple Python projects, virtual environments help avoid package conflicts and keep setups clean. Once the environment is active, install the required Python packages with pip. This includes the fast MCP library and any web framework dependencies it needs. Make sure the installation completes successfully before moving on, because the rest of the tutorial depends on these packages being available. Now create a new Python file called server.py and open it in your preferred code editor. This file will contain the logic for your HTTP MCP server. Inside that file, import the fast MCP module, initialize your MCP server instance, and define a simple tool or resource function. For this tutorial, keep it simple by returning a custom greeting or a small piece of sample data. The goal here is just to confirm that the server is working and that Copilot Studio can call it successfully. After that, run your Python script to start the HTTP MCP server locally. When it launches, note the port number it's running on. You'll need that in the next step because a local server by itself usually can't be reached directly from cloud services. To make it accessible, expose your local server to the internet using a tunneling tool such as ngrok. This will give you a public HTTP URL that forwards requests to your local machine. Keep that tunnel running while you test the integration. Then log into Microsoft Copilot Studio and either create a new Copilot or open one you already have. From there, go to the Tools or Plugins area and add a new custom action or plugin using your ngrok HTTP URL. This is what connects Copilot Studio to your Python-based MCP server. Finally, test everything by asking your Copilot a question that triggers the custom tool you created. If everything is configured correctly, your Copilot should call the server and return the greeting or data from your Python function. That is how you build a Python-based custom HTTP MCP server and connect it with Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching and happy coding.